So we're at the Rolland F. Perry Forest, and we're the only car here at the trailhead, but it's only a block from our motel, so local adventure. So down the trail. So we're just about done with our 3.5 mile loop around the Rolland F. Perry Forest here in Bangor, Maine. Very pleasant. It's really sunny and nice this morning compared to yesterday where it was raining and blowing like crazy. Just a few blocks from our motel, and very nice. So down the trail.